I want to show you about another kind of relative URL. Not sure exactly what this is called, but this is just another type of relative URL. And it's the top level down URL coding. Now, let's go back to our website folder. And remember, in the main folder we had these pages. But we also had a subfolder called More Pages. And we had an extra page in there. And let's look at that page. You'll notice it was just a copy of the Contact Us page, but it's inside that More Pages folder. So we didn't have any links set up in here. Now, let's view the source code. And let's go down to that little menu. So we've got, wasn't really turned into a menu here, so we've got the home, we've got the FAQ, we've got the About Us. So let's turn the home into a hyperlink. A, href, oh, the A didn't type, A, href equals, let me close that, and okay, so we want to link to home. Let me close the tag here actually. Put it there. Okay, href. So if we did our normal relative URL, we would have been just saying like, let's link to the home is the index page, so index.html. So we would have done index.html. We would have hit file, hit save. We would have went back to our More Pages extra page and hit refresh. And notice we've created a hyperlink, and if I hit home, it says this page cannot be displayed. In other words, it's a dead link. It doesn't go anywhere. The reason we can't do that is what we just told it to do was on the extra page we clicked on a link and it just said, yeah, look for in the same folder, which is the More Pages folder all the way over here. It said look for the file called index.html. There isn't one, so it said this page cannot be found. We actually wanted it to go up a level and look for this, but there is no way to code that. Well, there's kind of a way to code that. There's no code that says go up a level, but what we can do is we can put this code in. Now, let's go back to my little thing here. We basically put a dot dot and then a forward slash, and that tells it to go up to the top level folder and then start looking downwards. So then look at, we can put our More Pages folder here. And I've just said subfolder 2, subfolder 3. Well, in our case, we don't have a subfolder 2 or a subfolder 3. Then our page name is going to be extra page. So, keeping with that, let's remove this. And we can put in dot dot forward slash. Now, if we go to the, it's in the More Pages folder, so we got to type in More Pages. More Pages, another forward slash, and let's click on the folder, and our page is called extra page.html. So we got to type in extra page.html. We go to file, hit save, go back to our index, hit refresh. Now we click on the home. So we hit dot dot forward slash. Now let's go back to our folder and say, well, over here I've listed subfolder 1, subfolder 2, subfolder 3, and then the page name. Well, there is no subfolder. Our file is just sitting in the main folder, so we don't need this subfolder 1, subfolder 2, subfolder 3 stuff. We just need the page name. But we still need this dot dot forward slash. So if we go back to our page, dot dot forward slash, and we want to link to the home page, but that's index.html. So index.html, we go up here, file, hit save, go back to our page, let's hit refresh, and it's going to refresh. And now if we click on home, now it takes us to the index page inside the My Website folder. So we just told it to start at the top level directory and work our way down. Let's go in here and copy this page, extra page, and let's put it in the images folder. I'm going to paste it in there. Let me call it extra page image, okay? So now it's called extra page image, and it's in the images folder. So how do we link to that from our extra page?